थगचरे ngasi arbitrary reference asida hoige honorable prime minister oiramba Dr. Manmohan Singh yauna house asigi secretary oiramba duga member oiramba governor oiramba leader punmaki miwai tara mangage imongi leikhidabda imongi awaba ehaksu suruk lominari hairaga mioi khra aina personally thengna khiba khra gi maramda ai atang panjaninge former prime minister of India Dr. Manmohan Singh mahapu akhoi nine Manipur Legislative Assembly members naga marakta khoi khra mahapu unarami naga gi pistok chathari basi athubda loishin bibasi naga punamakna pambani akoi naga mayamna peace khurang nangairi permanent solution na ki leadership makada purak piu haina naga mod oina koi request tawzaba people's representative oina lakchabani habakanda mahagna haikibama akoi mak leikhidrabsu kedom ngai dusu tawbung amdaba maki wahema ai ningsingye mana mangna hai ai nupa machani nupa amawena ai nakoi mayamda ai ki assurance pizabani soidanama nagagi kuiraba sigumba issue asi permanent solution puraknaba ai hotna gani hana magna haibiramdai ningsingye samathangda khoige akhoi miyamna ngasi sulhan ma mahak hinglinge desu khangnaba uncle Jiri Diben haina khangnaramba uncle si I personally khangnaramba haitare aina sum khangnaraba kanda among the leaders among the legislative members or ministers mahase one of the most neutral leader mawen I think ai among the members in the Thambi Bugumna mahase si jati ni opposition ni ruling ni khaida bida unabok lakpo khuting makpo pachana aphoina hongdok ningba khoina mahakta thamning basip hopna tare harga mahak solution thinaba khoida advice hekta pibiba adugum leader oiramase ai ningsingi adugu loinana khoige leikidraba yamba bidi bearing markse khoi naga people's run gi advisors su yam khoi na oirami mahak leikidaba numit phawbama khoi gi advisor oina leirami akhoi tribal legislatures khaltanate manipur gi members su oiramba mahak ase legislation gi maram do si am kopna khangba larik si am paba yamna resourceful oiba chang se mag makko khakta nate document su thamba akoina karigumba khangni ba matamda mahak ta chalaga soidana leiram gni mongwan de leiram dardi manipur de leiro haina khoi wow